What is up, guys? Justin Mullins back at you with another vlog. So I'm about to leave, about to go do this Dirtfest thing. I got a truck because it's all about trucks. So you got to make sure that you're bringing a truck to things like these. I don't know nothing about trucks. Actually, the only reason I have this truck is because this truck's broken. It's a piece of junk. I don't know what I need. I got 2 pairs of glasses. I got a hat. I got a coat because it's raining. But Kennedy said it's rain or shine. So about to check it out. Just about to leave. But I guess the boys are running out of cold ones. Yeah, you can't have a cold one with the boys if they ain't no cold ones. So I gotta go get the cold ones, and then I'm be headed up there. Hopefully I don't miss too much. It's about to start in 20 minutes. I got an hour to drive. It's so low. Oh my god. Before I go, I'm gonna go and say what up to my wife because she's working. That sucks. It's Saturday. I'm gonna go tell her that I love her and to kind of just embarrass her before I head out, actually. Alright, so I went ahead and switched cars actually because I realized that this truck gets really bad gas mileage. So I'm basically saving the environment by driving this thing. Like, I don't know exactly what all I'm to expect, but this flyer looks lit. Like, look at the back here. This guy, they got Airtime. Like, this guy right here, did he crash? He's way up there. Like, I got high expectations for this now. Hour drive. I gotta drive an hour by myself. I hit up some boys, but I'm going alone because I don't have any friends, I guess. People want to hang out with me. They were all busy, okay? Hi.
How are ya?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm decent, pretty busy. I'll have you sign that.
Okay.
There you go.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the camping over there? Okay, this is gonna be crazy, guys. So I just got here. We're at this campsite right here. So this is where we're gonna hang out in between events and stuff, and we're just gonna kind of kick it with Kennedy. He's gonna know where all the cool stuff is going down.
Hey Justin, what's up?
Quick vlog update. These people are savages. They're literally crashing their trucks all over the place. I think I'm the only black person here, but I think I'm blending in just fine. I saw a dude's truck, literally, he bopped it and it was on fire. It's crazy. Wait up, we can't walk that fast, Kennedy. Kennedy, we can see your underwear.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they're
and they're inside out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Sweetheart. You're a hot mess.
So now they have some sort of pit bike racing. So they're gonna be racing these little motorcycles around. Okay, so Red Rider. Okay, so right now what's going on is they are building up the big jump because they're gonna have the big jump contest. It's the main event. They're gonna be going big. So that guy, he is building up the jump. So it stopped raining, but then they made us move from the sickest spot, dude. We were on the raceway, but they made us move because the dude wanted to jump the truck there, but it was worth it. So totally my fault. Yesterday when I was filming, I forgot to finish and do an outro. So this is the outro. It's the next day I'm at my house, but yeah, thanks Kennedy for having me out there. I had a lot of fun with them and the boys, and it's really fun, a lot of fun, some sick trucks. Definitely will be checking out Dirtfest again. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna roll some Dirtfest B-roll. So B-roll.